What's going on, guys? 10 mega boxes, 2020 Panini football tonight. We got 9 of the select and 1 Prizm. Appreciate everyone joining up tonight. Wish you guys all the best. We will get started here very shortly. Let everybody get joined in. We do have 2 breaks tomorrow night too, guys, so check us out tomorrow. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and get her started. Box number 1. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Purple Concourse, Dak Prescott. Silver Concourse, Adam Thielen. Bryan Edwards, Field. Purple Club, Cam Chancellor. Unbreakable, Brett Favre. Purple Premier, Chase Young. White Club, Keyshawn Vaughn. Purple Concourse, Marlon Davidson. Certified CD Lamb. Chase Young Premier. Purple Concourse, Justin Herbert. You go Chargers. Turbocharged, Barry Sanders. Purple Premier, KJ Hamler. Silver Premier, Gabriel Davis. Tyler Johnson, Club. Purple Club, Justin Jefferson. Nice. Hot Stars, Prescott. Josh Kelly, Premier. Purple Concourse, Juju Smith. White Field, Saquon Barkley. Purple Premier, Christian McCaffrey. Unbreakable, Troy Polamalu. Last pack Magic, box number 1. See what we can get. Purple Field, Tim Patrick. Chase Young, Certified. Good old Noah, Miami. Box number 2. Here we go. Purple Concourse, Jared Goff. Silver Club, Justin Jefferson. Nice. P. Ryan, Field. Purple Club, Jalen Hurts. That's nice. J.K. Dobbins. Certified. Clavon Chason, Premier. Purple Premier, Ezekiel Elliott. White Club, Drew Brees. Antonio Gibson, Club. Purple Concourse, Cole Kmet. Turbocharged, Henry Ruggs. Jalen Hurts, Premier. Purple Concourse, Cole Kmet. We just had that one. That's crazy. Hot Stars, Deshaun Watson. Purple Premier, Tommy Stevens. Silver Concourse, Tyler Johnson. Jacob Eason Concourse, we have a Purple Club, Jeff Gladney. Unbreakable, Chris Carter. Brandon Ayuk, Premier. Purple Concourse, T. Higgins. White Field, Justin Jefferson. Nice. Getting some nice Jeffersons. Purple Premier, Rodrigo Blankenship. Henry Ruggs, Certified. Jeff Okudah, Club. Last pack Magic, box number 2. Purple Field, Josh Uche. Turbocharged, Brady. Anthony McFarland Jr., Premier. Box number 3. Here we go. Purple Concourse, Derrick Henry. Unbreakable, Frank Gore. Gabriel Davis, Premier. Purple Premier, Denzel Mims. Silver Concourse, Justin Jefferson. Man, that's awesome. Way to go, Vikings. Purple Club, Thomas Davis Sr. Justin Herbert, Certified. Purple Concourse, Jake Fromm. White Club, Antonio Gibson. That's sick. Trayvon Diggs, Premier. Purple Premier, Justin Jefferson. Man, we're hitting a lot of Justins already. Turbocharged, Cam Newton. Andrew Thomas Club. Herbert Concourse. Purple Field, Chase Claypool. Hot Stars, Cam Newton. Clyde Edwards-Helaire Premier. Purple Concourse, James Conner. Silver Premier, Jerry Jeudy. Nice Jeudy. Purple Club, Raekwon Davis. Unbreakable, Peyton Manning. Purple Premier, Lawrence Taylor. White Field, Teddy Bridgewater. Tua Club. Last pack Magic. Box number 3. Purple Concourse, Joe Reed. Certified, A.J. Dillon. Zach Moss Premier. Box number 4. Here we go. Purple Club, Antonio Gandy Golden. Unbreakable, Tony Gonzalez. Purple Concourse, TJ Watt. White Club, LaMichael Pirine. Derek Brown Premier. Purple Premier, Julio Jones. Jerry Jeudy, Certified, LaVisca Chenault Jr. Club. Purple Field, Mitchell Trubisky. Turbocharged, Drew Brees. Tua Premier. Purple Concourse, Derrick Henry. Silver Concourse, Phillip Rivers. Field, Tim Patrick. Purple Club, Jordan Love. Hot Stars, TJ Watt. Nice Love. Purple Premier, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. That's sick. White Field, Cole Kmet. Herbert Concourse. Purple Concourse, Jake Fromm. Unbreakable, Terrell Davis. Justin Jefferson Premier. Purple Concourse, James Conner. Certified, Joe Burrow. Last pack Magic. Box number 4. Here we go. Purple Premier, Cortland Sutton. We have a Silver Field, Denzel Mims. Cole Kmet Club. Let's do one of our red Prizm exclusive boxes. We have 2 of these tonight. For box number 5. Here we go. Red Field, Joe Burrow. Nice. It's a good start. Unbreakable, Frank Gore. Trayvon Diggs Premier. Nice Burrow. Red Concourse, Jedrick Wills. Silver Premier, John Elway. Red Club, DeAndre Swift. Turbocharged, CD Lamb. Edwards-Helaire Premier. Red Concourse, Khalil Mack. Turbocharged, Cam Newton. Zach Moss Premier. Red Premier, Brett Favre. Copper Club, Daniel Jones. That one is numbered 192 of 355 on the Jones. Red Concourse, Jared Goff. Herbert, certified. Red Premier, Tommy Stevens. Silver Club, Raekwon Davis. T. Higgins, Club. Red Club, KJ Hamler. Hot Stars, Cam Newton. Clavon Chason Premier. Red Concourse, Gross Matos. We have a Copper Field, Luke Kuechly. Kuechly is 232 of 355. Jalen Hurts, Premier, and last pack Magic for box number 5. Red Premier, Drew Lock. Unbreakable Manning, James Morgan Club. Get some water here. Box number 6. Here we go. Purple Club, A.J. Terrell. Jacob Eason, Certified. Jason Huntley, Premier. Purple Premier, Cortland Sutton. White Concourse, Russell Wilson. Gandy Golden, Club. Purple Concourse, DeAndre Swift. Turbocharged, Michael Vick. CD Lamb, Premier. Purple Concourse, Tyler Johnson. Hot Stars, Ezekiel Elliott. Purple Premier, Phillip Rivers. Silver Concourse, Sam Darnold. Purple Club, Jacob Eason. Unbreakable, Ray Lewis. Antonio Gibson, Premier. Purple Concourse, Jacob Eason. White Club, Dalton Keene. Purple Premier, Jordan Love. You go Packers. Claypool, Certified. Dalton Keene, Club. Purple Field, George Kittle. Turbocharged, Deion Sanders. Okuda, Premier. Last pack Magic. Box number 6. Purple Concourse, Drew Lock. Silver Premier, J.K. Dobbins. And a field, Brandon Ayuk. Got a little beat up. Be all right. Box number 7. Here we go. Purple Club, Cole Kmet. Unbreakable Namath. Purple Premier, Tommy Stevens. White Premier, Jason Huntley. T. Higgins, Club. Purple Concourse, Juju Smith. Jalen Reagor, Certified. Purple Concourse, Matt Stafford. Turbocharged Devin Hester. Derek Brown Premier. Purple Premier Rodrigo Blankenship. Silver Concourse CeeDee Lamb. Oh, look at that one. Super off-centered James Morgan Club. Purple Club, Henry Ruggs. I like Ruggs. Hot Stars, Drew Brees. Tua, Premier. Jordan Love Concourse. Purple Concourse, Devin Duvernay. White Concourse, Dwayne Haskins. Purple Premier, Julio Jones. Unbreakable, Larry Fitzgerald. And another super off-centered club. Those are funny looking. Purple Field, Antonio Gibson. That's sick. Tua, certified. Justin Jefferson, Premier. Last pack Magic. Box number 7. Purple Concourse, Henry Ruggs. Silver Premier, Cole Kmet. That leaves us with one of each. Let's go ahead and hit the second red one. Box number 8. Here we go. Red Premier, Jake Fromm. Jerry Jeudy, certified. Jacob Eason Club. Red Field, Van Jefferson. Turbocharged Breeze, Trayvon Diggs Premier. Red Club, Brandon Ayuk. That's sick. Hot Stars, TJ Watt. Edwards-Helaire Premier. Red Premier, Josh Kelly. Copperfield, Joe Montana. That one is numbered 275 of 355. Red Concourse, J.J. Watt. Copper Club, Brandon Ayuk. Nice. That one is numbered 113 of 355. There you go, Niners. That one's sick. Red Concourse, Jerry Rice. Turbocharged, Edwards-Helaire. KJ Hamler Premier. Red Concourse, Drew Lock. Hot Stars, Drew Lock. Red Premier, Denzel Mims. Silver Concourse, J.J. Watt. Tristan Wirfs, Club. Red Concourse, Christian McCaffrey. Silver Premier, Ed Reed. Jacob Eason, Field. Last pack Magic, box number 8. Red Club, Malik Taylor. Unbreakable, Tony Gonzalez. Gabriel Davis Premier. Box number 9. Here we go. Purple Concourse, Bradley Chubb. Silver Concourse, CeeDee Lamb. Purple Club, Troy Aikman. Turbocharged, Michael Vick. A.J. Dillon Premier. Purple Premier, Baker Mayfield. White Field, Zach Moss. That's sick. Purple Concourse, KJ Hamler. Hot Stars, Ezekiel Elliott. Purple Concourse, Jonathan Taylor. Ray Lewis, Unbreakable. P. Ryan Premier. Purple Premier, Jason Witten. Silver Premier, John Hightower. Tristan Wirfs Club. Purple Club, Matt Ryan. Claypool, certified. Purple Concourse, Jake Luton. White Premier, Antonio Gibson. Ross Blacklock Premier. Ooh, there we go. Chris Jones, tie-dye auto. That one is numbered 20 of 25. There you go, Chiefs. Tua, Purple Premier. Turbocharged Deion Sanders. Jacob Eason, Club. That was a good pack. Last pack Magic, box number 9. And our last of select, we have a purple field, Jordan Brooks. Hot Stars Boza, J.K. Dobbins Premier. Box number 10. Here we go. The one and only Panini Prizm box tonight. All right, guys. Here we go. Big Ben, Hunter Henry, DJ Moore, and the rookie, Quez Watkins. Heisman, Isaac Bruce. We have a neon green Pulsar, Ryan Tannehill. And our rookie, Jerry Jeudy. Brandon Cooks, Russell Wilson. Fireworks, Bobby Wagner. And the new guy, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Nice. And Keel Harry, Philip Lindsay, Aaron Jones, and the rookie, Antonio Gibson. Some good rookies, for sure. Sam Hubbard, Joey Boza, Christian McCaffrey, and the RC, Anthony Jennings. Lamar Jackson, Damian Williams, DeAndre Hopkins, and the rookie, Justin Jefferson. Nice. D.D. Westbrook, Eric Kendricks. We have a silver. Not a rookie, Lane Johnson. And our base rookie is James Morgan. J.J. Watt, Dallas Goedert, emergent rookie Jacob Eason, and our base rookie Raekwon Davis. Sean Lee, Demario Davis. This is our autograph, I believe. There it is. Neon green Pulsar. Rookie auto, C.J. Henderson. And our base rookie, Jason Huntley. Huntley's with the Lions in there, in the Prizm. There you go, Jags. Last pack magic. Here we go. Danny Amendola, Jerry Rice, neon green Pulsar, Mike Evans. And the rookie, Javon Kinlaw. Awesome, guys. Appreciate everyone joining up tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed that. We do have 2 more breaks tomorrow night, guys. So check us out on eBay. We should have more football ahead. So everyone have a good night tonight, and we'll see you guys next time.